Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 10th, 2025, and this is a quick look at a virtual trade that I put on a little later in the day, doing these credit spreads, my march to $1 million. And I want to see, I want to place these trades at a time when maybe it was an ideal time for me to put it on. I didn't know if the market had actually did its reverse or was going to continue dropping. And I wanted to hold this trade a little bit longer to see if it would actually work out. There's going to be two verticals that, as you can see on the screen, it was a 58.20 and a 58.10 on the put side, and a 58.25 and a 58.15 on the put side. I did these different strikes and all because one of them is kind of like based on a live trade, real trade that I actually put on, and I like monitoring my trades in my virtual account at times and all just to see what's happening. And I'm kind of comparing feels that I actually get on these trades on the live trade and on the virtual trade. Because one of the things that I'm seeing is that my virtual trades are feeling pretty good. The entry is I'm okay with. It's just the exit, the debit that is actually giving me on those exits. So that's what I'm kind of also monitoring here and want to monitor here. But let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and take a quick look at the trades. This morning virtual trade, the large trade with 200 contract trade, the march to $1 million and all actually worked out pretty good, but I'm questioning the exit, and that's what prompted me to put these other smaller trades on to see what actually happens, in the virtual account and also in the live account. I have similar trades like one of these in the live account also at this time and all. So I want to see. All right, but let's go. These are the trades right here and all. On one of them, on the 15.25 spread, they're 10 wide spreads. I got a $5 credit and all, that's only half of the width. And also, that's doable, and all. I'm okay with that. On the other one, I only got a $3. That's more kind of like what you would normally get in a live trade right there. Is this on this 10.20, ended up with a $3 credit. Here are the closing for those particular trades up here for the 15.25 and for the 10.20 and all. One of them I have set to actually. This is the 10.20. This is the 15.25. The 15.25 where I got $5. I got them set for more than 50% on the trade because I want to see it go past these numbers and all and see if it would actually trade at a 50% or 25% profit on these trades. This is something that I really want to see actually happen or not happening. As you can see, this one right here this is the one. This 15.25, which is this one right here where I got a $5 credit, you see it's already at that 50% almost on that trade. So collecting 25% on that trade would have been no problem and all. The question is now, could I collect that, not just 50% on that trade, which would have been $2.50. I'm going down a little bit lower to see if that can actually be collected, and I'm doing the same thing on the other trade. Let's take a quick look at the charts, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this on up. The time that these trades were actually placed was, I think I did them both pretty much close to the same time. I see it was a little bit difference in time at 10:16 and 10:24. Let's take a quick look at the chart, and then we'll wrap this on up. I'm gonna look at it on the 5-minute chart. And I'm going to just maximize this chart right quick. This is my normal charts that you normally would see. It was at this time. Let me back this up a little bit. It was at this time right here. It was like 16. It was right when I was thinking the market was actually after the market had made a bottom, and I thought the market was actually going up, and it would be okay for me to go ahead and place those credit spreads. Yes, I could have gotten out of these trades earlier, but like you said, like you were seeing, I am setting my exit at a lower point because I want to see the market actually trade through the points where I normally would be exiting these trades if it was a live trade. And I want to also see it go through the point where I exit that larger trade, my large $1 million trade in the virtual account. I want to see it go through that price because I'm kind of questioning, would I really got an exit at that point? And as you can see, not getting out of that trade, for that small profit and all. This thing did go against me, giving me some pain and all. It bounced down. It's pulling, actually pulling back up and all, and that's it. So that's all I really want to share here. I'm still in these trades. I just want to kind of like get a quick capture of what I did and what's actually happening right now. I will be summarizing this whole thing on another video later with the whole week and everything, what has happened. But that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Right Side Trader, and today is January 10th, 2025. Have a good one. Bye. And look out for my market review coming up. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.